Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students of first year class. I am your teacher Sadia Naseem from Behriya Foundation College, Nashero Firoz. Students, today we are going to learn about the organic molecules. First of all, let me tell you what are the organic molecules. According to our previous definition of organic molecules, these organic molecules are those molecules which are produced naturally within the living things, cannot be synthesized artificially. But nowadays many organic molecules can be synthesized artificially, so this definition is expired now. Now what is the new definition of organic molecules? Those molecules which are made up of carbon compounds. Along with carbon there may be hydrogen, oxygen, other compounds. So organic compound या organic molecules are those molecules which are the organisms made up of carbon compounds, and inorganic compounds are those compounds which are not made up of carbon compound. Carbon may or may not be present in inorganic compounds, but carbon is essential in the organic compounds. Okay. Now the organic compounds or organic molecules are mostly macromolecules, larger in size, but they are formed by the combination of many small size molecules. So synthesis or breakdown of larger molecules is the basically our topic today. Synthesis of larger molecules by condensation. First of all, what is condensation? Condensation means the process of removal of hydrogen from any compound. So macromolecules are the larger molecules. They are also known as the polymers. Now to understand the concept of polymers and monomers, macromolecules are polymers and they are made up of smaller molecules which are called monomers. So imagine a train. A train is made up of many small boxes, there are many parts attached with the engine. Okay, so a single box is known as it is a monomer, and a whole train or whole group of monomers is known as polymer. Okay, for example, protein is the polymer, and what is the monomer of the protein? You will tell me, read the topic and tell me what is the monomer for the protein, carbohydrate, lipids. Okay, I will wait for your answer. So condensation is the process in which water molecule is removed. Now how these monomers are attached with each other? For example, this is a monomer, this is another monomer. We remove hydrogen from these monomers, and this removal of hydrogen will cause the formation of a bond between these two monomers. This is known as peptide bond, or also known as peptide linkage. So a polymer is formed. A polymer is formed by the removal of hydrogen from two monomers. From one monomer we remove hydroxyl, from another monomer we remove the hydrogen. So remove totally hydrogen and hydroxyl together make the water molecule. So one water molecule is removed. As a process of condensation, a monomer changes into the polymer. Understand? So next is to breaking of large molecules. How these large molecules can be broken down. For example, this is a polymer, this is a large molecule. For condensation, what we did, we removed the water. In the breaking of large molecule, we will add the water. Water will split into hydrogen and hydroxyl ion. One ion will attach with one monomer, other one with other, and a polymer will change into monomer by breaking down this bond, which is a peptide bond or peptide linkage. You understand this term? Okay. In case of autotrophs, what are autotrophs? The organism which can make their own food, like plants. In case of autotrophs, these polymers are made automatically and stored in the plant, and at the time of usage these polymers are used by plants for different activities. In case of humans or animals, when we eat the food particles or organic matters, they are basically polymers which break down into monomers. Many enzymes are involved in this breakdown. For example, hydrolytic enzymes or other enzymes are involved in this breaking or making of the polymer. You understand this topic? Okay. Now what's your homework? You have to read the chapter very carefully and you will tell me what are monomers, what are polymers, how monomers combine to make the polymers, and how polymers break down to make the monomer. You will write down on a page and will send me. I am waiting for your homework. Thank you so much.